What up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am working with a new company. They are called Kisslove Hair or Kisslove Wigs, whichever one you want to go with. I'll have their names down below in the description box, okay? They sent me this 30-inch 5x5 closure deep wave wig, and let me tell you, she was hitting, and I didn't expect her to hit this hard, but she was hitting, okay? So this is what the wig looks like. It is transparent lace. As you can see, she needs a little bit of work, and I'm going to do that work to make her look bomb. You feel me? All right, so what I did do was I did add an elastic band onto this wig. I did not do that on camera. You guys see me do that numerous of times. If you have not, if you want to specifically a straight tutorial on how I do that, let me know down below in the comment section and I will do that for you guys. Today I'm using 30 volume developer and quick glue to bleach my knots. I use half a scoop of developer, half a scoop of bleach, because we are only working with a 5x5 closure, so you do not need that much. And I am going to let it process for about 15 to 20 minutes. And yes, okay, so the knots didn't bleach as well as I wanted them to, so I'm gonna go back and bleach them one more time, and yeah, we'll see how that works. All right, so I re-added the bleach. I turned on my air fryer / conventional oven because it's gonna generate some heat. I'm in my house and it's cold in here, and so yeah, I'm gonna let that help heat up the bleach to hurry up and process it. So I'm gonna be watching it for the next 5 minutes. Because I do not want to over process and over bleach. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. This is ghetto. Okay, this is very much ghetto, but we're gonna be ghetto today. Oh, and I did push the bleach through, as you can see, so all the knots are covered. When I say that I be pushing the bleach through, this is what I mean. Like, you see, the bleach is covering all the knots. That's what you want. That's how you make sure your knots are fully bleached. Okay, so I decided that I wanted to do a side part, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just parting the hair out. I left a little thin piece of hair by the wefts to cover it because I want this part to go as deep as possible, okay? So once I got the part, I am going to comb everything out. Mind you, I already plucked this wig, okay? So that's the reason why you see all of that hair in the comb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my mousse from Cantu. This is my favorite mousse to use for wigs, especially for curly units, because it just makes the curls pop. All right. So I'm just going to make sure I'm molding everything. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to go ahead and pull out some baby hairs. So after I pull out the baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and cut them. You know, I like to cut them longer than shorter, because if they're longer, I could go in when I'm installing the wig and cut them shorter. I just don't want to cut them too short and it just looks weird and I will have to cut more baby hair. So I would rather work smarter than harder when it comes to this situation. So I would suggest everybody cut their baby's hair longer before you install it, to make sure that they are the right length for you when you do put them on. All right, so after the baby hairs are cut, I'm gonna take the same mousse and I'm gonna take my comb and I'm just going to like mold the baby hairs down. So after everything is molded down, I'm gonna take my freeze spray from Got to Be, and I'm gonna spray the hairline. And yes, I like to do that because it helps keep everything in place when I do sit my wig under the dryer. All right, so in order to make these curls pop, I'm gonna take that same mousse. I'm gonna make sure that the top of the hair is laid down flat and in place, because like I said, I'm going to put her under the dryer, and I'm just gonna comb all this mousse through this wig and just make all the curls pop and put everything in place. So after everything is combed together and the curls are clumped, this is what the wig looks like, and she's ready to go under the dryer. So after I let her dry for about 30 minutes, this is what she turned out to be. This is a beauty. If you guys follow me on Facebook or any other social media, you guys loved this wig. Like, she was so beautiful, and I was just shocked. Like, I didn't know that this was going to come out this curly and wavy and luscious, and this is just a bomb wig. Okay, so I was like, girl, let's do this install. So I didn't mold my stocking cap down only because it is a closure. So, but I am going to go ahead and put my makeup on the stocking cap, and I'm going to make sure I try to cover that thick band that's on my cap, because I do not want to see that underneath the lace. So I'm gonna focus my makeup especially on that front part of the band, because we want to, you know, disguise that as best as we can. Once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and slide the elastic band on and put the wig on and adjust her to my liking. This is about to be the quickest install ever. Flawless install, just bomb install. You feel me? All right. So after she is adjusted to how I want her to sit, I'm gonna go ahead and take that same makeup that I put on my stocking cap, and I'm gonna put that on the transparent lace. All right. I'm doing this because, as you can see, that lace is so white on my skin, and I need it to blend in as best as it can. So what I'm going to do is just put that makeup on there, not too much, not make it too dark. I wanted to make it look like the exact same color of my natural skin tone. So when I do take my makeup off, it is still hitting, it is still giving, it is still bomb. You feel me? So after that, I like to cut off the seams of the closure. Now, doing this is going to make your closure lay down super flat. So I highly suggest you guys do that. Those two seams that's on the end of the closure, cut those off. Go straight to the cap. Cut them off and you'll be fine. And after that, cut off the excessive lace, and girl, you will have a closure that's looking like a frontal that you would not know that it's a closure. Okay, so after the lace is cut off, I'm going to use liquid gold. I haven't used liquid gold in a long time as far as like laying down my wigs, and that was because I myself came across a handy dandy spray called the Even spray. But girl, I can't promote Even no more, because that thing is, killing people edges, and I have to do a whole video of that. So liquid gold has no alcohol in it. It has essential oils in it. It's okay for your hairline. It will not eat your hairline up. As long as I've been wearing wigs for the past 6 years, I have never had any issues with my hairline or any of my friends' hairlines. And girl, let me tell you, that Even spray ain't it. Okay, so I will not be using that any longer on my channel, and I'm gonna give it a dedicated video. So after I use the liquid gold and blow dry her down, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my baby hairs and use my spritz to lay it down, you guys. And that's basically the end of this video. I told you she was simple. I told you she was easy. Okay, if you guys are interested in this bomb wig, like, this wig is really bomb, I will leave all the information down below in the description box for you guys, and everything that I use will be down below in the description box. And if you're interested to hear about my thoughts about the Even products, then girl, make sure you are following and share this video, because turn on that notification, because I'm going to come back and we're going to have a girl on girl or a best friend on best friend talk, because Even, like, how dare you? But anyway, this wig came out super cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section, and I will look. Oh, I look so cute. I'll be back on another one, best friends. Until next time, bye.